Did you know that there is actually a recycling bin on your iPhone, the same way that there's a recycling bin on your MacBook or your iMac? So let me go ahead and show you this. If you've deleted a certain file and you want to be able to find it and maybe get it back, I'm going to show you how to do that today. First thing we want to do is open up our Files app here. Once we are in our files, I guess we kind of have a couple different ways to get to it, but you're going to notice that you have all these tabs down below. I think the fastest way to get to your deleted files is to go to Browse. And then once you are in Browse, whatever menu you were last on is probably going to show you. So you want to pay attention to what's up at the top here. Like, so for right now, I'm on my iPhone. These are all the files on my iPhone. They're not on my iCloud. They're on specifically my iPhone here. So what we want to do is tap where it says Browse right over here in the left-hand corner. Once we go to Browse, then we're going to see this menu right here. So I've got my recently deleted. Right? And this is where I'm going to be able to see all of the files that I deleted. So I can go ahead and tap into this. And now here is a little PDF image that I recently deleted, and anything else that is basically not going to be a video and or a picture is going to be inside of this little bin right here. And that's why I'm calling it the recycling bin, because it basically operates the same way that the recycling bin on your MacBook works. So if this video helped you out, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.